Good day. My name is Robert Farrell. I want to thank you very much for being here. And if you are here, you're probably very frustrated because you have an affiliate account with Amazon or Walmart or Best Buy, and for some reason, you're just not making money. Well, let me explain to you why that's possible that you're not making money. Now, let me addend that statement by saying, is affiliate marketing a scam? No. Tell that to Jeff Bezos. 42% of Amazon's income comes from affiliate marketing, which is about $640 a year. Say it's $640 billion a year, $640. Here's why you're probably not making money. Because you don't have the right tools, you don't have the right game plan, and more importantly, if you're serious about earning online the right way, then rule number one is stop selling. Yes, you heard me right. Stop selling. Okay? Let's think about that very intuitively. Okay, we all want to sell the expensive iPhone or the expensive costume for Halloween as an example. Well, that's all possible. But if you don't engage people with quality content, it's not going to happen. Why? Because your site is a stranger to most people. Now, obviously, Walmart and Amazon, Best Buy, yes, people know those brands, but they don't know you. So what you need to do is work smart. Now, to addendum that statement, I've been in the online training business since 1995, 23 years. Now, do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. Have I made mistakes? Oh, hell yeah. Have I wasted money on advertising and ad spend because I didn't know what I was doing years and years and years ago? Yes. So let me share with you how to work smart online. So here's what I've done. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I have over 57,000 computer software students that I've curated since 1995 online. I started my career in New York City in 1987 teaching marketable skills, teaching software. So I want to share with you how to work smart because I've been in the trenches. I've made the mistakes. So watch this. If you take a look at my website for a second, you will see that this is a great turnkey opportunity. Now, for those of you who say, turnkey, geez, I don't want my site looking like everybody else. It's not. It's a starting point. But look at this beautiful Halloween website. Where can you find a website like this for what I'm going to offer you? Now, here's what's really cool. It's WordPress, yes, but here's something you'll get that you're not going to find anyplace else. I have back-end training videos, step-by-step, watch over my shoulder, how to do this the right way. Plus, in addition to that, my training videos are searchable, bookmarkable right inside your WordPress admin, and you can actually write notes and search at a later date. My objective is to have you learn properly and give you the right tools. So if you click into the site right now, you will see a very engaging website. Now, my websites are mobile ready for tablets and phones. But let's look at this for a second, okay? Very professional looking website. It literally took seconds to put together. Now, where do you get the content? Well, you're going to curate content using my WordPress premium plugins from YouTube, from Amazon, from Walmart, whoever you're an affiliate with. But here's what you're not doing. You're not working smart. So let me explain this to you. So if I come down here, you'll see that I have like Halloween recipes and Halloween desserts. And then I have, something like funny pet videos and funny kid videos, okay? So if I click right here and I refresh the page, it's already programmed for you to change out the content. So here's another funny pet costume, and here's where you can buy stuff at the bottom. So what I'm trying to share with you is stop selling and start engaging. So let's say as an example that I wanted to share this on my social media. So this is how simple it is to do. I click right here, and I'm going to post this on my Facebook page. Now here's what I suggest you do. Set up a Facebook page for Halloween or funny costumes or whatever your niche is, which I'll talk about that in a second. Okay? Don't put this in your news feed and your profile page because Facebook kind of cuts down on that. As an example, I have a client of mine here in New York that has over 650,000 people in her Facebook. And when she does a blast, a Facebook feed blast, it goes out to maybe 2,500 people. It's horrible. She's got all these people, and Facebook basically curtails that. But if she puts that on one of her pages, she'll get more bang for the buck. And that's what you want to do. That's working smart. So if I click right here, watch what happens. It's adorable. First of all, here's what I want to share with you. Post to your Facebook page, not your private profile page. You'll get more bang for the buck. And when you post something, say that 5 times fast, you want to put an engaging content, engaging question. As an example, do you have any enjoyable, funny costume videos? Do you have a recipe to share? Have you tried this recipe, et cetera, et cetera? And I always put a hashtag like something like, funny kids matter. Okay, now here's what you're not paying attention to. When the person now clicks this from your Facebook page or your Instagram page, it's going to take you back to your website, and that's working smart. So let me explain the process right now. Now, we all do this, okay? We post things from YouTube onto our Facebook page, a Miles Davis video, a John Coltrane video, Lady Gaga, etc., or a funny pet video, okay? Well, that's great, but then who gets the credit for that? Well, you go right back to YouTube. How does that help you? It doesn't. So what I will share with you is I have back-end tools that, based on keywords put into a category, you can curate those videos right to your website. Then from your website, you post onto social media. Therefore, when somebody wants to engage with you, they go back to your website. It's common sense marketing 101. And it works. Believe me, it works. I have thousands of students that this is working with. In fact, I have a student that is 104 years old. She turned 104 years old this past summer, 2018. She's been with me since she was 99 years old. She saw one of my YouTube videos and she signed up. Her first month, she made $35. But you know why she's my hero? Because she never gave up. Okay, she kept at it. She kept at it. She never even asked questions. All she did was watch my video. What I found very interesting about her, she had no skills. She didn't know how to type. She worked as a bookkeeper for an air conditioner repair company. Okay. What was really cute about her is she'd say, Robert, I made 38 cents today. Robert, I made $1.28. She got excited and she never gave up. Now, it took her about 13 months to build up to $2,000 a month, and that's about where she is now. The woman is 104 years old. So if she can do this, what's your excuse? But I taught her how to work smart, post engaging content, and stop selling. Now, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So in addition to having a complete turnkey solution with my method, I have over 14,000 keyword-rich domain names. Very important stuff. So I have HalloweenShopping.store. I have BlackFriday.Christmas. I have Coupon.Christmas. You'll have access to these domain names for your website. As an example, if you say you wanted to market and promote Black Friday, so you could be Jennifer.BlackFriday.Christmas or your brand.BlackFriday.Christmas. Now, if you don't think there's value in that, well, good luck. So if you want to come up with a long-winded domain name, you want to keep your domain names short and sweet. Now, is that the cure-all? No, but it's certainly a big help. So I thought of everything. It's a simple process. You simply set up your site, put in your affiliate program codes from Amazon, Walmart, et cetera, and let me guide and assist you to working smart. Now, for those of you thinking that this is some kind of get rich, you're going to make $1,000 next week, that's not going to happen. But here's something I do want to share with you. If you're serious about wanting to earn it with affiliate marketing, then there's no better way to earn the quicker way than offering my services to your audience. What do I mean by that? Well, let's think about something. There's a company called Wix, Wix.com. You probably see them. They advertise every place. Now, I respect what they do, but they don't offer what I do. They don't give you marketing videos, promotional videos, turnkey solution. They don't give you the tools to earn, the tools to learn, and more importantly, they certainly don't give you any keyword-rich domain names. But here's what I want to share with you. They sign up 1 million people a month. Hats off to that. Okay, I don't sign up 1 million people a month. Okay, I do very well, by the way. Like I said, since 1995, I have over 57,000 students. Okay, but if you engage people and they come to your site, if you want to put a banner out like this, hey, launch your own Halloween site, I will now pay you a minimum of 20%. Now, let's think about this from a logical standpoint. The best way to get a job is when you have a job. The best way to sell something is when you own something yourself. And here's an example. I don't do blind affiliates. The only way to be one of my affiliates is you have to own my websites. And I did say more than one, okay? So if you own a package of websites, you then have the opportunity to be one of my affiliate marketers. So I'm not signing up thousands of affiliates, so there's no big competition. But it's a unique opportunity because nobody else is offering this service. Okay, now let's play devil's advocate for a second. Why the heck would somebody come to your website to buy stuff when they can go right to Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart? Let's answer that for a second. The reason they're going to come to your website, and it's not because of your grandmother or your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend. No, they're going to come to your website because you have taken the time to curate the best deals. Let's think about this. Time is money. Okay, so I need to buy my niece a graduation present from her, this online thing she's doing. Now, do I want to go on Amazon and search for the next 45 minutes to an hour? No, I want to go to a niche marketing website that I've bought from before. Okay, so it's all about value. It's all about engaging your customer. And it's all about repeat business. And that happens when customers trust you. And they will trust you if you stop trying to sell them. Okay. In fact, I don't know if you know this, but Facebook doesn't want you selling their people. Facebook wants you to offer value, and they want to have a positive user experience. Okay. Google's the same way. So if you're serious about earning, let's get serious about earning the right way. My name's Robert Farrell. If there's a better way to do this, you've come to the right place, and I'll be extremely candid with you. I make no guarantees of anything. Okay, what's the matter? Don't you believe in your product? Yes, I do, but I don't know what your work ethic is. I don't know what your study habits are. I don't know what your motivation is. So if you're serious about doing this, I provide opportunity. So it's kind of like saying, how many pizzas do you think you can sell if you don't own a pizza store? Well, that's pretty obvious. How much Halloween merchandise can you earn money off if you don't have a Halloween store? How much Black Friday income can you make if you don't have a Black Friday store? So it's that type of thinking. I'm here to help you every step of the way. I don't need your email. I'm not going to talk you into some waste of time webinar bullshit, if I could be so blunt. I'm here to help you every step of the way for selfish reasons. Because if you're making money, then I'm making money. And if you're happy, you're going to tell friends, family members, people that you meet in the line at the movies. And that's how you build a business. That's how you build a brand. And more importantly, that's how you work smart. So allow me, Robert Farrell, with 23 years of experience, 31 years of teaching software, I want to be your working smart coach. Plain and simple. I will not allow you to fail. Okay, I'm here to help you. And if we have to jump on a Skype session, cool. I'm here to help for selfish reasons. Now, it's a funny thing, adult education. I have plenty of people that have spent multi-thousands with me. Oh, I don't want to bother Robert. No, bother me. I want you to bother me. If you're stuck on something, yeah, try to puzzle it out. But don't spend the whole day on something. Don't go onto YouTube. Don't ask your friends. You hired me, so let me help you. And let me share this with you in closing. Absolutely 100%. Nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Thanks again for being here. Carpe diem 2012. Hey, welcome back. Before you go, you know, it's a funny thing. I typically don't pay attention to every word I say in my video because I've been doing this for so many years. But I realized that I said Carpe diem 2012. Well, I know I'm going to be 60 next year. I don't think I'm losing my faculties, but yes, I do know that it's 2018. So I don't know where that came from. Anyway, thanks again for being here. Have a good day. It is 2018. In fact, today there was a terrorist attack at the Time Warner Center, which is kind of upsetting because my building was evacuated on 57th Street. Anyway, talk to you soon. Thanks for being here.